Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your chat bubble or message style in TikTok DMs using the latest update. Like if you are bored with the default look like this, just a default bubble chat like this, you can just use this new feature to make your chat way more fun and creative. So TikTok recently added a new feature where you can customize the appearance of your chat bubbles, and in here you can choose from the different colors, styles, and even unique bubble shape. And honestly, it makes your private chat looks a lot more aesthetic and less boring. So alright, let's get into the tutorial. First, just open your TikTok app and then go to inbox like this. And make sure your app is already updated to the latest versions, because this feature might not show up if you are using an older versions. And then after you go to the inbox like this, just open the chat room or conversations with one of your contacts, for example like this. And once you're inside the chat, look at the top right corner. There is a three dots icon, just tap on it, and then in here just tap on chat bubble like this. And then in here you will see a variety of chat bubble designs that are available. There are colorful themes with the unique shape, unique color, unique designs like this. You can just choose the one that you like in here. And once you have found your favorite design, just simply tap on save. For example, maybe I want to choose this one, and then just tap on save like this. And when you send a message, it will look like this. Like this, you can see it, it's so cute. The bubble chat has a unique designs like this, unique look like this. And okay, just like that, your chat bubble will instantly change and your room chat will be more aesthetic. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.